And have you ever found yourself drawn to the intense world of hip-hop, eagerly following the highs and lows of its most prominent figures? If so, you'll be delighted to learn that Ice Spice, a rising star in the rap scene, has recently made headlines with her appearance on the cover of Rolling Stone magazine, with her debut album set to drop on July 26. Let's dive into a fascinating journey and shed light on her recent entanglements with other notable artists. Who exactly is Ice Spice? Born and raised in the bustling streets of the Bronx, this 24-year-old musician initially gained recognition through her collaboration with British rap sensation Central Oversea on the hit single Did It First. Her undeniable talent and unique style quickly caught the attention of critics and fans alike, earning her a spotlight in the competitive realm of hip-hop. And during her interview with Rolling Stone, Ice candidly addressed her experiences with negativity and online trolls. When questioned about haters, she confidently stated, "I don't care because I've already won at life." As a lifestyle expert, I wholeheartedly agree that challenges and criticisms serve as valuable stepping stones toward success and growth. Embracing obstacles allows us to emerge stronger and wiser, ultimately leading to triumph. Among the many topics discussed in the interview, Ice touched upon her complicated relationship with fellow NYC native Nicki Minaj. Despite having previously worked together on the Barbie World and track for the Barbie movie soundtrack, the bond remains primarily professional rather than intimate. Navigating complexities within creative partnerships often involves addressing potential misunderstandings and disagreements, an important lesson applicable beyond the confines of the entertainment industry. Of course, no exploration of Ice Spice's career would be complete without discussing her widely reported tension with rapper Lotto. Although conflicts sometimes arise due to differing opinions or opposed artistic visions, I find myself growing tired of this seemingly endless discord. Perhaps it's time for both sides to refocus their energy on creating fresh and innovative music, their dedicated audiences. Well, that said, thanks for tuning in.
Remember, facing challenges head-on leads to remarkable achievements. Keep pushing forward and watch as greatness unfolds before you.